Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video you can see about bright nails color. Neon bright nail colors are very important and unique ideas to color your nail and fingernails and get very unique look to your fingers. If you are bright color lover, then this video is for you. In this video, I can show you the electrifying world of neon bright nail designs. Prepare to be captivated as we dive into an array of vibrant and eye-catching nail art ideas that will make your fingers shine like never before. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my video. In this video, I will show you through a variety of neon inspired ideas, concepts ranging from bold, solid to playful patterns. By watching my video, you can easily create these stunning designs and nail arts at home. Watch as neon pink, lime green, electric blue, and sunny yellow uses take center stage, adding a pop of energetic brilliance to your nails. You can see that from neon gradients and amber effects to geometric shapes and mesmerizing abstract patterns, I will show you an assortment of creative possibilities that will make your nails truly stand out. Whether you're a nail art lover or someone looking to spice up your style with a burst of color, this video is perfect for you. Join us on this journey of vibrant self-expression and let your personality shine through your fingertips. Don't miss out on the exciting showcase of neon bright nail designs that are sure to make a statement. Hit the play button and get ready to embark on a visual adventure that will leave you inspired to unleash your creativity and embrace the neon revolutions. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Let's paint the world in neon brilliance together. Thanks for watching this video about neon brightest colors. Thanks for watching.